Hello guys, I'm Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a professional engraver from the brand called Culio. So let's see what's inside. So we have this user manual. Then we have the engraving pan, and here you can see this orange button. This is the speed setting button. And in this pan we will fit this different beads, and we have 30 beads here which can be used to engrave on different surface. And we have this cable with us to charge our engraving pen. We can just charge it for once and then use it to engrave. Now we have to insert one nib in this pen to start working. So we have to apply a bit of pressure and push it inside like this. And now it's perfectly fitted over here. Now we'll start with this orange button. So let's start. So this is 3. I want it to be on speed 1, so I will press it 2 more times. So this is perfect for me as I am a beginner. Before we start engraving, we have to keep few things in our mind. So let's see. We have this user manual, and here you will see what's in this box. So we have cap also of the engraving pen, and few instruction we have to read before using. So it is very important to wear safety glasses before doing engraving, and also do not use it while charging. So first charge it and then use it. So this is the cute candle on which I am going to engrave a logo. So first I will write it with a pen. Now let's switch on the machine and set it to speed 1. And I will do it slowly. I will speed up the video to show you the end result. So S is done, now doing V. And once it is done, I will use a brush to clean all the dust. And now we need to do a little bit of finishing, so doing it again. And now finishing is also done. Now I will use silver metallic wax and will fill it in the engraved part using a bud. Wait for a minute and then take a cloth or tissue and clean the extra wax, and it's done. I am very happy with the result. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. I am sharing the link of the engraving pan in the description box. Do check it. It is cordless and comes with 30 burrs of various shapes and size to cater your engraving needs. It has 3 speed setting and is perfect for everyone. So guys, this was all about this beautiful engraving pan. If you have any other query related to this, comment below. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can get notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.